Ever wondered how workplaces stay safe, healthy, and environmentally friendly? Meet the unsung heroes behind it all: health, safety, and environment officers, or HSE officers for short. They're the ones making sure your workplace isn't just productive, but also safe and compliant. And guess what? It's a career in high demand. Today, we're breaking down exactly how you can become one in the USA. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know the steps to take, the courses to consider, and some insider tips to get ahead. Plus, we've got a special resource for you at the end, so don't click away. Why become an HSE officer? First things first, why should you even consider this career? Imagine being the person who prevents accidents, saves lives, and keeps companies on the right side of the law. It's rewarding, it's challenging, and it's never boring. Plus, with industries like construction, manufacturing, and oil and gas booming, HSE officers are more in demand than ever. The job outlook is fantastic. Graduates from programs like the University of Central Missouri report a 100% placement rate, with average salaries around $95,900 a year. And here's a bonus. In a world where regulations are only getting stricter, this career offers serious job security. Educational pathways. So how do you get started? It begins with education. You'll typically need a bachelor's degree in fields like occupational health, safety engineering, or environmental science. Want to fast-track your career? Check out universities like the University of Central Missouri. They offer an accelerated BS/MS program in occupational safety that lets you earn both degrees in less time, perfect for getting a head start. These programs cover everything from safety management to environmental compliance, giving you the foundation you need. Not near Missouri? No problem. There are great programs nationwide, like at Purdue or the University of Houston. Training and certifications. But a degree isn't the whole story. Certifications are where you stand out. The OSHA 30-hour certification is a must-have. It's like your entry ticket to the field. Aiming higher, look into the Certified Safety Professional CSP or Certified Industrial Hygienist CIH certifications. They're game changers for your resume. Pro tip: start with OSHA while you're still in school. It's affordable, widely recognized, and shows employers you're serious. Campus life and facilities. Let's talk campus life. If you're considering a program like UCM's, their Warrensburg campus has state-of-the-art safety science labs and industrial hygiene equipment. You'll get hands-on experience through internships and networking with pros through groups like ASSP and AIHA. Worried about being stuck in a classroom? Many programs offer online or hybrid options, so you can learn from anywhere. How to join and afford it. How do you get into these programs? It's simpler than you think. For accelerated programs like UCM's, start with a bachelor's and apply for the master's track in your junior or senior year. Check the specific requirements for your chosen school. Don't let finances stop you. There are tons of scholarships like the $5,000 annual award from BCSP or full tuition options from Missouri Employers Mutual. Free money for school. Take it. Real-world success story. Still not convinced? Meet John, a UCM grad who landed a job at a top manufacturing company right after graduation. He credits his success to hands-on internships and real-world training. The internships were key. I wasn't just learning theory, I was applying it. That experience made all the difference when I started applying for jobs. Practical tips to get ahead. Time for some insider tips. Choose accredited programs. They're the gold standard. Get certified early, OSHA, CSP, whatever you can. Network like crazy, join groups, attend events, connect on LinkedIn. Don't skip internships, they're your foot in the door. Bonus tip, practice your communication skills. You'll need to explain complex safety concepts to everyone, from workers to CEOs. The unexpected perk. Here's something unexpected: job security. With regulations tightening and safety awareness rising, HSE officers are more crucial than ever. This isn't just a job, it's a stable, rewarding career where you can make a real difference. Your next steps. What's your next move? If you're serious about becoming an HSE officer, here's what to do. Research programs. Start with UCM or other top schools. Reach out to faculty, ask questions, get advice, apply for scholarships. Don't leave free money behind. Start your OSHA certification. It's a quick win. This isn't just a career, it's a chance to save lives and shape safer workplaces. You in? Visit hsestudy.in for more. Want more tips, resources and step-by-step guides? Head over to hsestudy.in. It's your one-stop shop for all things HSE. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you never miss an update. Your future as an HSE officer starts now.